Okay, folks, what we are actually going to see today, we want to perform more stream operations, right? We want to perform more stream operations from the yesterday session. We want to see some of the intermediate operations and some of the terminal operations, right? So we are going to look at about that. So first, what I'm trying to do is I'm just going to share the workspace. Okay, good. So this is the yesterday's stream API operations. These are the stream operations that we have discussed in the last session, guys. Okay, now we are going to now we are going to perform some more stream operations in today's session. We are going to perform some more stream operations in the today's session, and you will come to know about how to use different stream methods for the different requirements. Okay, we are going to start with that. In the previous example, we got to know about how we can able to perform a stream operation which can show only the delivered orders. Only delivered orders we want to show. And for that, we have discussed about show delivered orders. It is one method. And we have created one method in order to perform the stream operation, where it is filter operation. Next one is called for each operation. Correct? Good. Today, we want to discuss some more operations here. Let us say, okay, let's say we also want to add the order date. Actually, yesterday we have not added any order date. And let's say, for example, I would like to add the order date. Okay, right? I want to add the order date. Order date means, let's say, for example, I'm going to make use of local date class. See, let us add one more property, local date, order date, or date purchased, anything. Okay. You could see that I have created something called as local date, date purchased. Now there is one more attribute I have included. So I need to define setter, getter methods. I want to add this in the constructor. Okay. Local date, date purchased. Okay. I'm taking last one more attribute. I have included another attribute also to our order class today. What is called local date. This dot date purchased equals to date purchased. Okay. And also we need to define the required setter and getter methods for date purchased. I want to define the setter getter methods which are required to perform the set get operations on date purchased. Okay, so there is date purchased method. So the setter method will be set date purchased and getter method will be get date purchased. But when I'm creating the orders in the last session, I have not included the order date. Now local date is a class. So local date dot off. So I can specify the date purchased is 2025. Okay. That is year. Next second parameter is month and third parameter is day of month, right? So three means month. Okay. Let's say for example on 4th of March. Now the second date, local date dot off. That's at 2025. Okay. This is on February 28th. Okay. Date purchased on 28 and that is refunded. Next local date dot off 2025. Okay. Could be the month of March only. And it is already delivered. Let's say, for example, the date ordered on 3rd of March. Let me add all the required fields, required parameters for the constructor. I want to add 2025, right? Ordered on 27 February. We have a class called what local date. So local date dot off 2025. Let's say it is ordered on 1st March, which is cancelled. Okay. Next one is local date dot off. Let's say all 2025 only I'm taking. And it is just ordered on today. Today means 8th. Then the next one is what local date dot off. It is shipped. Let's say 2025, ordered on 6th of March. Okay, now I have all each order has also containing the date purchased. The first one order is processed. Actually, the purchase date is 4th March. Refunded on 20. This is order date purchase is 28 and it is refunded order. Date on March 3rd, that is delivered. It is 27th Feb delivered. Okay, like this, cancelled, ordered, shipped. So you have a list of orders like this. You have a list of orders like this. Okay. Now we want to perform some what I can call. We want to perform stream operations on this. Okay. Now, if you look at this now, the first order is the customer ID for the first order is 20011. And for the third order also 20011. And for the fifth order and also the seventh order, it is 20011, right? Now my requirement is I want to get the list of orders of a specific customer. Okay. Hope you are getting my point, right? So that is also called filter operation.
Yes, sir.
So I want to just get the orders of a specific customer. Otherwise, I want to get the order IDs of a specific customer. I don't want complete orders, but I just want only order IDs of a specific customer. If the customer ID provided as input as 20011, I want to get a list of order IDs of the specific customer 20011. So let's see. We are going to add another method in the service class. Okay. We want to create a new method which should return a list of integers, means order IDs. We want to only get the order IDs and we don't want anything else, only order IDs. Okay. See. So this is the method Okay, the purpose of this method is in the last class what we discussed is we are going to filter the orders with a delivered status. Filter the orders with a delivered status. Okay, that is a yesterday's example, right? Filter the orders with a delivered status. And today we want to perform some more filter operations to know how you can able to work with the stream API. Now this time, today what we want to do, we want to get the requirement is get the list of order IDs. Okay, get the list of order IDs for a specific customer. We have a requirement like this. Okay, right? Our requirement is we want to get the order IDs of a specific customer. So how can I able to get the list of order IDs of a specific customer? Good. So to get the list of order IDs of a specific customer, only order IDs I want. I don't first filter which orders are belongs to this customer for the given customer, and then only get the order IDs of the orders. Then convert them into a list. Then you can able to display the list, right? So I'm going to see what you have to do. First filter which are orders belongs to the given specific customer. After filtration, you will get another stream of orders from the list. And from that stream, you want to get only the order IDs. Get the only order IDs. Then you convert or store them into a list. Okay. So see how I can do that. I'm going to use filter method, and also I'm going to use map method. In streams, we have the filter method and also we have the map method. In stream, filter method is available and map method is also available. Map method will execute a given mapping function on a stream. So we are going to look at about how to use the filter method and how to use map method together in this example. Right? Okay. So let us see how we can do that. I'll tell you. Public return type is what? Return type is list of integers. Or I think I took long type. Let's check with order ID. Okay, I took the ID as a long type, right? So I just want to say list of long. List of long. So then the method is, let's say for example, I want to just get order IDs of customer ID. I took customer ID yesterday. I took the customer ID as long type, long customer ID. Okay. I want to create my method called get order IDs for a customer, for customer. This is the method I just want to create. Okay. This is the method I want to create. And we want to perform the stream operation on this. Okay. I told in stream, there are many methods are available. I mean, the problem with the stream API is what there are many operations are available on stream. I mean, say many methods are available in stream interface. But some of the methods which that we must know so that we can able to work with the given requirements. In that one is filter method. The other one is map method I'm going to use now. Okay. We have the methods like a to list method, We have the methods like reduce method. We have the methods like grouping by. So we are going to look at about some of them. Okay, right? We have the count method. We have the min method, max method. So there are different, what I can say, operations are possible. I mean, the stream is containing lot of operations. Distinct method, sorted method, okay, limit method, skip method. So let's understand and let's try to, perform some of the operations here. Okay. My requirement is, what is the requirement I want? My requirement is what I want to get a list of order IDs for a customer. Right? I want to get the list of order IDs for a specific customer. So how can I able to do that? I can do like this now. I can able to get the list of order IDs of a specific customer by doing like this now. Let's say a list of long. Let's say, for example, customer order IDs. That's my list. Then first get the orders, right? So I want to copy this statement. This statement will get me all the list of orders. You call this method called get orders, which creates a list, right? After getting the list, now we need to create what? A stream object. How can I create the stream object? Orders dot. We have a method available called stream. Okay. Then we want to call filter method. Filter. Filter is going to accept a predicate object. And we know that predicate is a functional interface. Predicate is a one functional interface. Predicate is a functional interface. So, it is already available here also, right? So predicate has an abstract method called test, which takes one parameter and returns Boolean value. If any method is having a functional parameter, we can provide a lambda expression as a parameter for the method. We can provide a lambda expression as a parameter for the method. Am I clear? So I am going to call, okay, now I am going to call filter method. Now filter of what I am going to provide parameter. Let's see the parameter. Order, arrow token. Let's say order dot get customer ID equal to customer ID, the parameter. Right? Order dot get customer ID equal to customer ID. Customer ID is a long. We are providing as a parameter. So after so this filter will create what? A string. Filter is a intermediate operation, which means what? It will convert one stream to another stream, right? Filter is an intermediate operation which will convert one stream to another stream. That is what filtration. Okay, that is how the filter operation will work. Am I clear with that? Filter is one stream operation. So when you call the filter, it will convert from one stream to another stream. Now, after calling the filter operation on stream, then this filter will produce another stream, and that contains the orders only matched with the given customer ID. Now what we want to do is, from those orders, we only want to get the order IDs, right? We only want to get the order IDs. Then I'm going to call a method called map. The first method, map. Map method takes a function parameter. This map method will take a mapper function as a parameter. I'm talking about map. It returns a stream consisting of the results of applying the given function to the elements of the stream. Okay. So what it returns? A stream again, which is consisting of the results of applying the given function to the elements of the stream. Okay, right? So it will apply the given function on the elements of the stream and it will return another stream. Okay, we should pass one function as a parameter. So again, function is also one functional interface. Predicate, it is one function interface. Consumer, predicate, okay, and supplier. Now this is function. These are the four important functional interfaces that are available from Java 8 version, right? Available from Java 8 version. Okay, right. Now I am calling map. What this map will do? It will apply the given function to the each element of the stream and returns another stream consisting of the results. Okay. First of all, we should know function is also one function interface, and it has one abstract method called apply, which has a parameter of type T and returns a result of type R. Its meaning is the parameter, input parameter, and the result could be same, same type, or could be different type also. So let me show you. Let me show you. Okay, let me show you. Okay, guys, let's open java.util.function.function. It is a functional interface which is available in Java 8 version. What happened to this? Okay, I will share my screen again. Okay, we look at this. There is a function interface called function. And this function has one abstract method. The name of the abstract method is called apply. Okay, it has one parameter of type T and returns a result of type R. So why they have given T, R like this? After applying the function, the result could be any type. The result could be any type. Okay, the function result could be either same type called T or could be any other type called R. R indicates any return type. Parameter is one type. Result could be another type. Result could be another type. Okay, result could be another type and parameter is of another type. So that is called T and R. So there is a method available called what? Apply. Apply is a one abstract method in the function interface. It is one abstract method in the functional interface, and the name of that function interface is called function. Function is the name of the function interface here. Okay. Now what map method will do? Map method takes an object of type function as parameter. So what this map will do? It will apply the given function on the elements of the stream and returns the another stream containing the results. Okay, good. See, first filter is called here, right? Let me explain here. What I'm saying here, first filter is called here. Let us say actually the stream is containing, let's say for example here the stream has, let's say 7 orders. After this filter operation, this filter is returning another stream. This filter is returning one more stream. Let's say it is containing, let's say for example, it is containing, let's say 4 orders. So tell me after filtration, another stream is created with 4 orders. Now this map will execute on the elements of this stream. It will execute the given function, or it will apply the given function on this stream, the elements of this stream, and returns another stream as a result. Whatever the function that you provide, it will execute. It will apply the given function on the elements of the stream and returns result as a one more stream. Okay, look at this. What I will write here, order arrow token order dot get id. Okay, you look at this. This is one lambda expression. So writing the lambda expressions will play an important role, very important role. Writing the lambda expressions will play an important role. So what is the point I am trying to tell you? The point you guys are getting here. Okay. The point what you guys are getting here, you are calling order dot get id returns id value. So this is the mapping function. This is the function applied on each element, on the elements of the string. Okay, we are providing it as a lambda expression. If it is applied, now this function, if it is applied on each element of the stream, the elements of the stream, it is going to get the order IDs. So this map will return a stream containing order IDs. Now finally, what this map is going to do? This map now is going to returns a stream of order IDs. Returns a stream of order IDs. Okay. So basically, what is the input to the map? A stream of orders. Okay, a stream of orders is the input to the map. Output is what? Another stream of order IDs. So what this map will do? It will apply the given function on the elements of this stream and returns another stream containing the results. Next, I want to convert into list. Then there is a method available called toList. There is a method available called toList. Otherwise, we can also use collect method. There is a method available called collect method. Otherwise, we can also use a directly method called toList. Okay, we have the methods available called toList. Okay, we have the method available called toList method, toArray method, toString method. Okay, but you don't find any method called toMap, or you don't have any method available called as a toSet. So to convert a stream into a list, there is a method available called toList, because many times we are going to use a list object. That's why there is a shortcut method provided called toList. Now return customer order IDs, the list object. Now I will go to main method. Guys, I'll go to the main method. Okay, and I want to call this method called what? Get order IDs for customer. I am going to call the get order IDs method for customer, right? So it's going to return me a list. So you can see I can call for each method on list and I can able to print all the order IDs. You know what can I write here? I can write like this. You can see here order service dot. Let's say for each operation, we want to add a separator. Okay, system dot out dot println. System dot out dot println. Let us add. Okay, just let us add this design. Repeat this string. Print this string repeatedly for let's say 30 times or 40 times. Now look at this order service dot get order IDs for customer of customer ID. I'm passing 20011. If you want, you can use scanner and get the input from the user. Dot for each system dot out colon println. This is called method reference operator with a double colon. Now here also you can do one thing. You can see this lambda expression also. It has only single parameter, and the body of the lambda expression is containing a single statement, and that single statement is referencing a instance method. If it is returning any instance method, if it is referring any static method, if it is as a single parameter, then we can also shortcut that lambda expression by using method reference operator. Right? I can reference it by using method reference operator. I can able to shortcut it. So how can I able to shortcut it now? I can write like this now. Order is a class colon get ID. Okay. Otherwise, I want to write this in comment, but for your reference. Actually, this is what we are writing. Order arrow token order dot get ID. But the same statement we can also write like below. Now you can understand why I am using method reference operator with a double colon. Okay, and now let us run this. Now we can see the order IDs are 101, 103, 105, 107. Because we know in our list of orders, these orders are belongs to the customer ID 20011. If I want to say 20022, for 20022, the order ID is 102 and the order ID is 106. Correct? Now let's say provide another customer ID to get his order IDs. Now you can see that. Okay, now you can see that you got the output as 102 and 106. Good to know. There are 2-3 methods I have covered here. What are the 2-3 methods I have covered? One is called filter method, which is already yesterday we have discussed. And today you got to know about what map method, and also you got to know about the toList method. These are the different methods I've covered here in this, this operation. Next, let's see the other operations also. Okay, right. Now, there are each order is containing. See, each order is containing order date. Let's say, for example, this is 4th March. This is 28th February. This is 3rd March, 27th. This is 1st March. Latest is 8th March. Today, its current status is ordered. And this is 6th, which is shipped. Now, who is the latest order in this list of orders? Latest order is 8th March. Correct? Now, we want to perform a stream operation to find out the latest order from the list of orders. I want to get the latest order date. Okay. I want to get the latest order date. Okay. Let's see how we can get the latest order date. Sure, we are going to see that. Cool. I want to show how to get the latest order or latest order date. What is the latest order date in the list of orders? Actually, 8th March 2025, today. Cool. We want to understand how to get the latest order date. Okay, let me do one thing. Public void. I just want to display here itself. Public. That's why I'm using return type as void. Okay. Public void. Let's say the method is show latest order date. Okay. Let us copy this statement first. We want to get all the orders to start the stream. Now we want to start the stream, and first we want to start the stream. The stream is containing the list of orders. From them, create a stream of only order dates, the date purchased. Then find out the max date out of it. Am I right or not? See, what is the process you have to do? You have an orders list, right? But from that, you create a stream which contains only dates, the date purchased. And again, from them, find out the max date. That is going to become latest order. That will be the latest order, right? So let's see how we can do that. Okay. I think you guys have got what is the process for this. Process is what you have a list of orders here. You have a list of orders. Correct. After getting the list of orders, what you guys will do? First, create a stream. Okay. Now, what this stream contains? It contains all the orders. Right? All the orders. It's a stream of orders. It's a stream of orders, right? Next step, what do you need to do? If you want to find out the latest order, you don't require any order ID or customer ID. All these details are not required. Only order dates are required, date purchased. Now create another stream which contains only date purchased. Create a stream for order dates. Okay, so tell me, to perform this, we need to apply or we need to call map method. You call the map method on stream. What this map will do? It will apply the given function on the elements of the on this stream and returns another result which is containing the stream. Returns the results into another stream, right? So what that result stream is containing only order dates. And from them, you find out the maximum order. find max order. So we are going to look at about how we can able to perform the operation like this. What I'm trying to say, you got a list of orders. Now you create a stream. Let's see how we can able to create a stream here. Right? Let us understand. Okay, let us understand. Okay, I'll do like this now. You know, when you call the max method on stream, for example, see, I want to show you orders.stream, a stream object is created. If I call directly max method returns optional class object. Okay, optional class object. Optional is one of the class, right, from Java 8, and which could be used to avoid null checks, correct? And also to avoid null pointer exceptions, to reduce the null pointer exceptions, we have a class available called optional class. Okay, so but don't directly call max. You can't call the max method directly on these orders because this stream is containing orders, not the order dates. That's why first call the map method. Call the map method. And what this map will do, it will apply the given function on the elements of the stream and returns another stream containing the results. So what is the function I want to apply? I want to get only the order dates. So I can write what? Order colon get date purchased. Colon means what? Method reference operator. Right? Otherwise, what is other way of writing the same operation? I'll put it in comments. Dot map order arrow token order dot get date purchased. Again, this is a lambda expression with a single parameter and it has a single statement in the body, and that is invoking. Okay, that is invoking a method, correct? Invoking a method. Are you able to get my point? So sure, we can also simplify this lambda expression by using this double colon, and basically it is called method reference operator. Next, what? Find the max order. But what max method takes? Comparator as a parameter. Again, you know, comparator is another functional interface, right? And what you need to do now? You need to provide a lambda expression as a parameter. Sure, we should provide lambda expression. What this map containing? Returning a stream containing the order dates, right? Then tell me to implement a comparator. Comparator has a compare method which has two parameters, right? Which has two parameters. So let's say, for example, I'm writing date 1 comma date 2. If there are two parameters, then we should provide parenthesis date 1 comma date 2 arrow token date 1 dot compare to of date 2. Because in local date class, there is a compare to method available. Okay, right? Because you know the stream is containing what? When you call the map method, the stream contains all the elements of type local date. Here the stream contains a stream of local dates. It's a stream containing the elements of type local date because date purchase is a local date type. The element type is local date. And max method takes comparator as a parameter. Comparator has compare method. Comparator has compare method, and compare is a method which has two parameters as input. The input arguments, two input arguments it has, and returns integer value. In the local date class, already compare to method is available. You can compare the two dates by calling the compare to method that is available in the local date class. So a lot of information is available in these lines of code. Lot of information is available in these lines of code.
Sir, I have a small doubt.
Sure.
Sir, compared to method, it is available in date function as well. Actually, it is in
Local date class. Local date class already contains compare to as a built-in function.
okay. Actually, it
Built-in
is in
method.
comparable, right?
No. Comparable interface contains compare to method. It doesn't mean that other classes should not contain compare to method, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
And another, yeah. And one more thing I want to tell you, local date class already implements comparable. Local
Okay,
date
sir.
class implements comparable interface. That's why in that local date class also compare to method is available.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Now, so when I call this max, which returns me optional class object, optional of type local date. So I can store into optional class object, optional of local date. Let's say OPT equals to. Right. Now we can check now if OPT is, and if OPT is containing some any element, then we have a method called if present. Optional is a class again from Java 8. Okay, you guys need to go through the optional class. So I'm writing opt dot if present means if there is a value present in the optional object, then I want display that. So if present is again another method which is taking what? Consumer as a parameter. So everywhere you go, either consumer, function, predicate, comparator, comparable, or supplier. All the stream operations will use, or all the stream methods will contain parameters of these types only. That's why a good knowledge on comparable, comparator, predicate, function, supplier, consumer. These interfaces is required. So what I'm writing, opt.if present means if present will execute the given action if value is present in OPT. Otherwise, it will not do anything. So what I want to do if present, provide the action by implementing consumer. So consumer is a function interface. We know it has accept method, which has single parameter. Return type is void. So what I want to do now, I can write date arrow token system.out.println latest order date and print it. Now, the same statement I can also use with method reference operator. How can I write opt dot if present system.out ::println. Yes, capital. Okay, both are one and same. The first one and last one. Okay, the last two statements are one and same, but the last but one statement will provide us a way to add our custom string. Okay, right? But here it will directly print the output. If you want, you can write this completely under one more SOP statement to print a message. Okay, so I will keep the first one, but you can also write the second one. Now let us call this method show latest order date from the main. I'm going to main. So here you guys need to call this method. The method is order service dot show latest order date. System.out.println. Otherwise, I'll copy the same statement just to get a separator in order to do that. Okay, let us run this. Now you see, latest order date is today, 8th March 2025. If you look at the list is containing in the list there are operations available. Sorry, there are the data orders available on 4th March, 28th February, 3rd March, 27th February, 1st March, 8th March, 6th March. The latest order is 8th March today. So we got the latest order date. Right? Now, exactly similar to that, you can try later, get earliest order date. Earliest means old order. Just the only difference is I can copy the same code. Instead of calling the max method, we are just going to call the min method. Right? That is going to become earliest order date. Right? What is my requirement? I want to get the earliest order date. Show earliest order date. Okay, earliest order date. Okay, cool. So how can I able to show the earliest order date? Instead of calling max method, I just want to call the min method, min. That is max. You can see here max method is called, but here I'm calling the min method. That's it. Okay, this is show earliest order date. Let us call this and check, are we getting the response or not? Order service dot show earliest order date. Like this, you guys can perform. Okay, stream operations. Next. I want to sort the orders based on order date. Next operation.
Sir, one question. Hello.
Yes.
Sir, currently we are returning for latest date and minimum date. So can we return the all the record like if latest date? So we are currently printing the latest date. Based on date, we have to return all the record.
Based on the date, you can filter and you can display.
Okay. Okay.
Then you can apply filter based on this date, and whatever the orders are there on this latest date, you can apply filter and you can display.
Okay. Okay. Got it.
Using for each, you can display.
Okay. Okay.
Yes. So next operation, get orders, let's say sorted by order date. Now here we are going to call sorted operation of stream. Let's say public void show orders in sorted or in sorting. Show sorted orders. This is a method. Now we want to sort based on order date now. So further there is a filter operation, there is a stream operation available that is called sorted. Here we no need to filter. We don't want to apply condition, and based on the condition, we do not want to take only such elements from the stream. Just all elements I want, but I want to display them in sorting order. So for that, we need to use sorted method. And sorted method also takes comparator as a parameter. Again, comparator has compare method with the two parameters, input arguments, and returns integer value. So same as the previous one. So we are going to see this is going to be a simple operation. It's going to be very, very simple operation. Now,
Okay. We are
going to look into that. Okay. Orders dot you guys can see. Stream. First, you get the list of orders. You call this method and you'll get the list of orders first. And after getting the list of orders, now you want to display them in sorted order. Then what can I do? Orders dot stream. Let's say dot sorted. Now sorted will take comparator as a parameter. So again, comparator is another function interface with abstract method compare. And that method has two input arguments and returns an integer value. So here we want to sort based on order date. Okay, the two orders we want to compare based on order date. So which means what? Already in local date class, there is a method available called compare to, and I can compare with two orders. So what is this? What is the statement I'm writing? Because two parameters I need for the lambda expression. I need two parameters. What are the two parameters? Sorted of two parameters required. Let's say O1 comma O2 arrow token O1 dot get order date. Order date means date purchased. Get date purchased. That's it. Order date. Dot compare to O2 dot get date purchased. Then display them for each. System dot out double colon println. This is how we are going to call show sorted orders method, right? Now, I'm not going to apply any filtration. I don't want to apply any filtration. Okay, I just want to sort them and I want to display them. That's it. My requirement is what? Just sort the orders and display. That's it. No need to filter them. I'm not saying that filter the orders with the total amount greater than 10,000 or only shipped orders or only delivered orders. I'm not saying any condition. Just all the orders I want to show, but in the sorting order, in the ascending order of the dates. Now, let us call that method and check. Or I'll copy this. Just we want to add this separator so that we can see the latest output clearly. I can say order service dot show sorted orders. Now let us run this and check the output. Are we getting the output or not? Yes, we are getting the output. So now you can see, okay, why I'm not getting the order date? Because in the toString method, I have not included the order date purchased. Don't worry, I will do that. Let us override toString method again, including date purchased. It will include the date purchased. Now we can see the response. Okay, now you can see date purchased 27th, 28th. These are last month. Then 1, 3, 4, 6, 8. We got in sorted order. Okay, this is how. Okay, right? Good. You are just learning some stream operations which will help us. If you learn something here, then you can explore it later. Okay, that's how you can able to perform the sorting. Okay, now like this you can learn many stream operations, but now one more operation I want to perform. We want to group the orders by their status. See, there are some shipped orders and there are some delivered orders, there are some processed orders, there are some just ordered. So now I want to group these orders by their status, which means what? I want to get a map which is containing order status as a key, the list of orders of that status as a value. For example, key is shipped. The value is a list of orders with the status shipped. For example, the key is delivered, which means I'm expecting a response like this. What is the response I'm expecting for my next operation? I'm expecting the response like a map of string, comma, list of order. The key should be order status, and the value should be a list with list of orders with that order status. It could be shipped or it could be delivered. So for this, we are going to call grouping by, which is a method from collectors class. There is a class available called collectors class. And in collectors class, we can find out a method called grouping by. And I want to show you that collectors class. You go through collectors class. When you open the documentation of collectors class, you can find out some sample examples also on top of the collectors class. Even you can try them. I'll show you that. In the documentation of collectors class, they have given some good examples for us to understand. Okay, so that Java .util, okay, dot collectors. Not collections, sorry, collectors. So there is a class available called collectors class. Okay. So there is a class available called, it is a class, collectors class. Class collectors from java.util.stream. There is a class available called collectors. And in the documentation of the collectors class, they have given some examples for us so that on stream we can perform the operations like first create a stream, then perform a map operation, then collect the result into a list. Of course, nowadays we have directly two list method available. Then no need of calling collect method. Collect method is a terminal operation. When you want to collect the stream into a list or a set or a map, then you should call collect method. So collect method can be used to convert the stream to collection. If you want to convert to list, then we have two list method directly. No need of calling collect method nowadays. Previously we called collect method only. But if you want to convert the stream into a set object or a map object, then we must call collect method only. And there are some examples are available here. And you can able to go through these examples after getting some information today what we are discussing. See, I am talking about this type of similar operation. It is what grouping the employees by department. But my requirement is what I want to group the orders by order status. That's the difference. Means almost the same type of operation I am also going to write now. There is grouping by, which is a method available in the collectors class. This class is containing static methods. You can see all our static methods. Many static methods are available. So in that, I am just going to use grouping by. Okay, I'm going to use grouping by, and it should take parameter. It will take a parameter of a function. And we know what function will do. It will apply. Okay, it will apply the given function on the elements of the stream and returns another stream containing the results. That is function. So grouping by is what next I'm going to use. This is what I'm going to use next, grouping by, of the class called collectors class. In this example, collect of collectors dot grouping by department, but I want to group by status, means a date order status. So if I know this example, then writing my example is going to become very easy for me. How I can group the orders, my list of orders by their order status. So let us perform this grouping by operation. Okay, I will show you. So what's the next method I just want to do is I want to group orders by order status. Let's say I'm creating a method public. I could use return type as void. And I say the method show orders by status or by order status, anything. Show orders by status. Now let's see how we can able to group them. So first get the list of orders, because to perform any stream operation, first I need the collection which is containing the list of orders now. Now what I want to do here, I want to group the orders by their status. So for that, okay, for that we need to call grouping by, which is a method of collectors class. Okay, next, that collectors class grouping by method returns a collector object. Collect method accepts collector object as a parameter. There is a method available in stream called collect, and this method accepts collector as parameter, collector. So how to create this collector object? To create the collector object, you have a class called collectors. There is a class available called collectors. Okay, using this collectors class, you can create a collector object because there are methods in collectors class which return collector object. Example, grouping by is a method which returns a collector object. Okay, so let's see how I'm going to do that. Let's see how I can do that. So please try to understand what I'm trying to say. I'm going to write, see, map of string comma list of order. And let's say orders by status is my map object, right? A string comma list of order, orders by status. Now first create a stream, orders.stream. Then call collect method. You know, collect is a method which accepts collector object. Collect is a method which accepts collector object. Okay, right? Returns collector object. So now, how to create collector object? By using a class called collectors class. So in collectors class, my requirement is I want to group the orders by order status. So which means I am going to make use of grouping by method. I'm going to make use of grouping by method. So grouping by method of collectors class will return a collector object. So what is the statement I'm writing? Dot collect collectors dot grouping by. Okay, collectors dot grouping by. What grouping by? Grouping by is a method which takes a function as a parameter, will apply the given function and returns a collector object. And on which property the grouping should be done? Grouping should be done on order status. So order arrow token order dot get order status dot get value. Okay. So grouping by will take function as a parameter, which returns a collector implementing a grouping by operation on input element of type T. So grouping by operation should be implemented on what type? On order status. And creates collector object. if I place the cursor here, you can see returns a collector implementing a grouping by operation on input element of type T. Grouping elements according to a classification function and returning the results in a map. So that's what we also want. Now simply, I want to implement grouping by on order status. Now simply display this map. Okay, right? Directly system.out.println we can write. Okay, directly. Otherwise, again, you can create a, entry set. Then for each, like that also we can do, because directly we can't start for each on map or iterator. Iterator we cannot start, for each we cannot use on a map directly. What I want to know, system.out.println of orders by status. So I just want to call this method from main and let's see the output. See, I have given multiple stream operations in which you can able to find multiple stream methods and their inputs and how they are working. Okay, I've shared yesterday and today a lot of information with the stream API. Now let us try to run this. We want to always see the latest output what we got here. Now we can see ordered is a status, right? Ordered is a status and list of orders are available here. Next, cancelled is another status. Again, there is a list of orders related to the cancelled status. Next, status is processed. Next one is shipped. Next, we got called delivered. Key is equal to value. Key is equal to value. You are getting like that? Okay. So this is key and this list is a value. Right? Like that, key is equal to value pairs are displayed because map is a collection which can store the data in the form of key equal to value pairs. Okay. Right. So there is lastly one more operation I will tell you. Lastly, these are all stream operations I'm sharing with you. And if you guys practice this and if you guys understood this, then based on this, you can explore to have more stream operations and you can able to write them whenever any requirements. Okay, when you get any requirement on stream operation, you guys can apply filter, map, or sorted, and try to learn something called reduce. Flat map generally we don't use. Flat map means when you have a multiple collections and you want to get all the elements into a map and you want to apply the function, then you need to give flat map. So otherwise, you try with one example. But okay, there are methods available like any match, all match, none match. So I'm just going to tell you one method. Based on that, you try with the remaining. I'm talking about any match. Like that, you have all match, like none match. These are the matching operations in stream. So better if I give one such type of example also, it will be better. So let's see how we can do that. Okay, see, I have a list of orders. Just I want to know, is there any cancelled order in this list of orders? I want to know that. Is any order is there with a status called cancelled? I'm not, see, I don't want to check every order is containing, every element is containing, all the elements are containing this matching or not. Okay, because every order is not a cancelled order, right? So at least one element in the stream is matching with the given condition or not. And for that, we can go for any match. Okay. If you want to check whether all elements of a stream should match or are matching the given condition or not, then call all match. And check none of them is matching the given condition or not, then call none match. So the methods available on stream called any match, all match, none match, such kind of methods are available. If you know one match method and remaining match methods, you can try. You can see. See, they are going to return Boolean value, true or false. See, I want to write check if any order is cancelled. Right? Check if any order is cancelled. So public, I'll say void. Check for cancelled order or check for cancelled. Whether cancelled order is there or not. Okay, check for cancelled. Any name, check any order cancelled, whatever it may be. Check any order cancelled. So first get the list of orders, guys. Get the list of orders. So once after getting the list of orders, then our requirement is we want to check is anyone is cancelled in this list of orders. So through stream we can do that easily. How I do that?
Order stat stream.
I can say it's going to be Boolean value. So Boolean, yes, you are right. Boolean, let's say variable name has cancelled order equal to my variable name. Orders dot stream dot any match I mean, we are checking where any match is there, any match. And we want predicate. Predicate means condition. Predicate represents condition, right? So predicate has a single abstract method test with one parameter t and returns result Boolean, right? So order arrow token check order dot get order status dot get value dot equals cancel. So that's how we should write. And it may contain, suppose this any match method is going to check is any element of the stream is matching with the given condition. If any element is having or matching with a given condition, then returns true, otherwise returns false. In place of any match, you can use all match. All match can check whether all elements of the stream of this stream are matching with a given condition or not, given predicate or not. None match means it will check whether none of the elements of the stream are matching with a given condition or not. You have three methods: any match, all match, and a none match. So I just want to display system.out.println any cancelled order, display that value has cancelled order. Now let us call this operation from main. Let us call this operation from main and check whether any cancelled order is there. Order service dot check any order cancelled. Yes, we know in our list there is a cancelled order. There is cancelled order, there is refunded order. Okay, there is shipped order, processed order, delivered orders. So we have, okay, with all the order statuses. So I'll get the output as true. Any cancelled order? Yes, there is. So that's why we are getting true. Okay. So hope you got some information and a good information which is related to perform how you guys can able to perform the stream operations by calling various methods. So for getting more details, I mean more details means to get some more typical operations. Just now I have shown you. Open the collectors class and try to understand the examples that are given here in the documentation of collectors class. So that, okay, you will get an idea, and based on that, whenever you want any grouping by operation or whenever you want to perform any sum operation, it is computing the sum of salaries of all employees. So summing operation, these kind of aggregate functionalities, average, sum, group, these type of operations are available in the collectors class. That's why you better to open collectors class and try to see methods of collectors class and try to understand these examples. It will help you whenever you want to perform any such kind of aggregate operations. Okay. So
sir, how to pass them constructor as a method reference, sir? Can you show simple syntax, suppose?
you can see in this collectors class, it's available. Please go through it. Okay. There is somewhere you can see it is going to create a new tree set object. For your question, answer is available here. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Yeah.
Get name only. Get name it is calling, sir. New set.
No. That is tree set : new means it is creating a new tree set object.
Sir, if there is any constructor parameter, sir, in that case we can't call, sir. Is it possible as a method reference?
No. It is only for creating the object. Okay, not calling the constructor with parameter.
Only default constructor only.
Only for it is for parameterless constructor.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Sir, and one more doubt, sir. We are using local date. Can you use like instant also, sir? Instant. What is the difference, sir? Local date and instant actually, sir.
Local date and
instant is there, na, sir, to create like instant dot now method. Instant dot now, sir. INST.
No. I know local date dot now. Local date means it is just creating the local date object. Otherwise, old classes available: date class and calendar class.
Okay, sir. Okay. Local date time means with
old
timestamps. Okay, sir. Okay.
Sir, one question here. Whenever we do the stream operations on the Java programs, how do we debug, sir? In the Eclipse, generally we do the debug, but with the stream operations, we cannot go internally. Right?
No. I mean, actually, if you want to go internally, then, for example, if you are keeping a toggle point, I mean breakpoint, If you say step over, then you cannot go inside the stream.
Yeah, correct. So that means we cannot debug the stream operations, sir.
No, it is. I mean, it is not like you cannot debug the stream operations. I mean to say that if you want to debug any stream operation, when you go into that, then you can debug. I mean to say, if you are clicking on like step over.
Yes, sir. Yes,
I mean,
sir. But
F6, I think.
I
So,
got.
yeah.
But
So if
in
you say
general,
step
how
over,
we
then you
debug?
cannot, right? Okay, if you say step into, then you can go.
Yeah, but if you write around the 7 to 8 operations in the stream operations, it won't show clearly,
It
sir.
won't show. Yeah,
It
yeah.
won't show clearly.
Yeah,
In one of the interview they asked, so at that I got the doubt. I tried also for the debugging, it is not showing.
Okay, okay.
But we have a method to debug the stream, right,
Stream.
sir? I remembered actually,
Yes,
but
yes.
I did not remember the name of the method. But
Method, yeah. Even I also, yes.
yeah,
There is another way, like how we can able to debug. There is something available even.
Okay, we'll check, sir. No problem.
There is, I'm not even getting. There is something available. I mean, there is a process available how we can able to debug the stream operations. That Java IT stream operations, if we have, then we can able to debug them without modifying the stream. I mean, because streams are lazy operations. I mean, when the terminal operation starts, then the stream will actually starts processing. By default, streams are lazy. I think there is, I mean, without disturbing the stream execution, there is something method available. I think peak method, I think that could be used for debugging.
yes, sir. Yeah, peak only.
Yeah. I remember peak method. I did, I think 1-2 times like that.
Okay.
Peak method is available. We can debug with peak method.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Sir, that means by calling peak method, we need to call like a debug point, sir. We can keep debug
Yeah,
point.
I mean, no need of keeping any debug point at the time of working with your stream.
Okay, sir.
Once you start the stream, then before your filter operation starts, you can peak. And after filter operation, you can peak. You can call the peak.
Peak method, sir. Okay.
Yeah, peak method. After map operation or after any other operations of the filters streams, you can call peak method so that you can able to see what is the thing going on or what the output came there.
Okay, sir. Okay.
So that's the way how we can
peak
debug.
method.
Yes.
Okay,
yes.
sir. Okay.
Done. Okay, guys. So there is something that I need to share. Is actually this is a big code and I need to share it with you. So what I will do is there is a document for us. And I will copy the code one after the other lines in the same document. Then I need to share it with you. Okay. I will do that. Just a minute. Okay. Now nothing to worry. I will do
If you want to master in stream operations in the code wise, we need to do a lot of practice, right, sir?
No, stream operations is not. I mean, if continuously we're working on that, then we can able to master them. But occasionally, if you are working, or otherwise, second thing is if we are not getting any multiple requirements in our application, then we will only focus on those operations only which we are regularly working. So actually, there are many operations. The stream advantage is it's very good for processing large amounts of data, but the drawback is it has a lot of API. API, I mean, lot of methods are available. That's an issue with this. Okay.
Sir, singleton list means it removes the duplicate, sir. Method reference we are using like a singleton list like that, sir, right?
Singleton
Singleton list, sir.
Okay.
Then it removes the duplicate, sir, in the list if it having any duplicates.
No, not singleton list. We have something called distinct. See, stream I'm creating on a list, but I want to perform operations on without duplicates, and you can call distinct method.
Okay, sir.
Stream contains a method called like map method, like filter method, sorted method. There is a distinct method available.
Okay, sir. Okay. Then we can remove the duplicates, sir. We can
Yes,
prepare.
yes. Yeah, you can, the stream operations will be done on unique elements, but not on the duplicate elements.
Okay, sir. Okay. Okay.
Okay, guys. Okay, I have to go now. So that's it. So
Sir, one
we
last
are
question,
done.
sir. Sorry for actually. Sir, UTC format means what does it mean, sir, in date actually? We are using in our project, sir, actually. That is
Okay.
UTC format means it's a common, sir, across all the zones, or what does it mean, sir, exactly?
No, I mean,
UTC.
it is
While
actually
storing the
UTC
DB.
we are calling. Its
Mm,
abbreviation is actually Coordinated Universal Time.
that
Actually,
means,
in the
sir.
name is UTC, but
Mm,
actual abbreviation is it's Coordinated Universal Time. I mean, C first coordinated, U for universal, T for time.
okay, sir.
So
Okay.
that is called Coordinated Universal Time. And
Mm-hmm.
basically, it is a standard for keeping the time in independent of the time zones.
Okay, sir. Okay. That means all countries we have like a same
It
time.
is not related to particular specific time zone. It's independent of time zone.
Okay, sir. Okay. India, anywhere
It
it
is
is
not
common.
like IST, or it is not like any
Mm,
CST for US. Not like that. Okay.
mm-hmm.
So
Okay,
that
sir.
is
Okay, sir.
it is a standard for keeping the time in independent time zones.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
That is the
Okay.
purpose of UTC. Yeah. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Hello,
Sir, are
sir.
you taking any
That,
Spring Boot batch, sir? Spring Boot batch in the morning?
at 7:30 in the morning. Started 2 days. I think 2-3 sessions completed.
Okay, sir. Okay, okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
7:30 morning 7:30
Okay, sir.
from
Thank you, sir.
7:30 to 9. Yeah. Yeah.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Sir, yesterday I have one doubt. Collect the user input using stream with the scanner class.
Okay.
I have shared the code with your number, sir. Actually, my question is, if for example I take input from 10, 20, 30 up to 50 for 5 integer, sir, I want to iterate the number by using integer and display the data using streams. If possible, without using for loop, we can achieve this streams only, sir.
No. I mean, you can create a stream for your input value. Stream.off is a method so that a stream is created.
Okay.
Then once a stream is created, you can call for each method and you can display. Stream
Okay,
also
okay.
contains a for each method. Na?
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Just,
Got it.
yeah.
Thank you,
Sir,
sir.
duration, sir.
That,
Duration, Spring Boot duration, sir. Spring Boot
it
microservice.
will take three and a half months.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Okay, guys. Okay. So I need to go out now. So that's enough. Okay, that's for our today's session and that's for this workshop. Okay, everybody, thanks for attending. I will share this note. I mean the example code and the document one more time. Already previously we have shared, but yesterday's and content and today's content is not there in the document. So I'm just going to update the document. Once again, I'm going to share it in the Google Classroom link, and so that you guys can able to download from there. Okay, thank you.
Sir,
Thank you, sir.
one request, sir. If possible, can you please share challenging questions to improve logical skills?
You want challenging questions on
Yes.
what? On
Because,
what? Challenging questions on streams or challenging questions on Java side? What is, I mean,
no, sir. Streams only.
stream. Okay.
Yeah, sir. We need to practice more on the streams.
Yes. Okay, I'll see if possible. I'll add some questions in the document.
Sure, sir. Thank you very much, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, you take a JRPT class, sir?
No, I think I mean it's started na 2-3 days, 2 sessions or 3 sessions completed by Ashok, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, I'm not taking it now right now. Okay, I have no other slot, so I'm not
Okay,
taking
sir.
it.
Okay, sir.